I welcome you all to Arohan's live interactive session 3.0. Just wait for a couple of minutes for the guests to join in. I have a very special guest on board this evening, and I'm really very much excited to interview her. She is my guru actually.
Namaste.
Namaste. Am I clear?
Yeah, you're very much clear. Yeah.
Okay.
We have Damini Bish, a professional Kathak dancer, and she holds a postgraduate degree from Kathak Kendra, New Delhi, a Doordarshan graded Kathak artist, CCRT national scholar, presented many Kathak recitals at various prestigious national and international dance festivals all over India. How are you, Didi? How is your quarantine going on?
God is kind. We are blessed in some ways that we don't have to just rush here and there for everything. We're getting our food on time. We are getting our sleep. We have lovely home, lovely family, and lovely people who are trying to just creating some new things and trying to spread positivity as they can. So great. God is kind, no doubt.
Okay, now, without a further ado, can we get into the interactive session?
Bilkul.
Okay, all the viewers, if you want to ask any questions, you cannot just type it down in the comment section. Didi will answer yours, okay? So now, let's go to the first question. So, what is dance according to you, Didi? What is dance?
Okay, dance according to me, right?
Yeah.
I think so. Dance is my identity. People know me because of my dance. You will not know Damini ki acha. Damini is great in that subject. Damini is great in that thing. You only know Damini Bisht because of dance, because of Kathak dance, classical dance. And I think so. The beauty the classical dance gave me in every manner and is giving me every day. I think so. I owe to dance very much. Everyone knows Damini book because acha, she is a great Kathak dancer. She is very graceful. The comments I receive, the love I receive. So it's all because of dance. So I think so. It's my identity.
Superb, really superb. So when did you start dancing Kathak? Mainly Kathak, actually.
Mainly Kathak. I was in 7th grade. When I was in 5th class, we moved to Delhi because my father is in BSF. That army job got transferred every 5 years. So my mama was very sure that I want to make her like learn something classical art. So blessed, as I said, that we got a good guru near to our home, so we don't have to hassle for the travel and everything. So it was very clear, and for 5 or 6 years in my school time, from 7th to 12th standard, non-stop I went to my first guru, Parul Mishra ji. So that's it. From that time I started my Kathak journey.
Oh, superb. Who is your real inspiration in dance, in Kathak?
Okay, so this question, first when I was a student in Kathak Kendra, when I was learning, so there was very, like you see your senior, you see your gurus always, right, in classes. So that time I was like, my inspirations are my seniors. They are. The work they are doing, the ways they create through dance to express their self, to express art. Beautiful. Every day they teach something to us. And no doubt, when I was like new to Kathak Kendra, every day they like taught me something new. Damini, you have to be like this. Okay, just take care of these things. So they were very polite and very good that they guided me so well. And for after that, when I got passed out for like 1 year, then I realized that there's so much more than that class. In that room, I was like connected to my seniors and gurus only, but now I'm like feel connected to everyone who is contributing their things to art, right? There are so many disciples and students of other gurus also who are doing great. So after in this lockdown, as everything is virtual right now, everything is in social media, so you got to see some beautiful works everywhere, right? Through dance, through painting, through music. So I think so we are getting inspired from everywhere. not only from seniors but also from juniors. There is my one junior who did, I don't like वैसे senior junior term, but normally for indicating, there is my junior who did one beautiful bandish in Tal Teen Tal, and I was like, baap re. Now I should start Riyaz more because the juniors are getting matlab, into form very good. So we have to buck up and be more good. So that's the thing. Everyone is inspiring you.
Superb, Jidhi. Very good.
Great to hear this from you. So yeah, the next question is,
Sorry. Ha.
Yeah. How do you make a bit of choreography actually? You'll just listen to the music, dance in your mind, and then you'll do, or else what do you actually do?
Actually, when I listen to music and when I hear music, I don't just fix every action. Every video, if you will see of me doing in any music, they are not fixed movement. I just listen the music 2-3 times. Okay, how many times the lyrics are repeating or how the music is going, and I will just play and I will tell my brother, okay, just record it. So it's in the flow every time. Okay, so when you are doing it every time, like for 4 or 5 times, a new story creates in you. So when you're second time recording it, okay, let's try something this also. So it's like this. When we are doing any tal paksh or any technical aspect, it is fixed, no doubt. You have to precise and accurate and fix every movement. When I'm doing in any music, I don't fix it. I just go with the flow. Okay, let's see what movement will come in my body. Maybe something new and happening, and it happens. Sometimes a movement goes out so beautifully and comes out so beautifully that I was like, oh my god, Damini, you are great. So it's the beauty, just improvisation. That's it.
Yeah. So yeah, can you see me clearly? Am I clear?
Yes.
Because
Yes, you are clear to me.
like only half seen. Joshita is only half seen.
No, I can see you clearly, Joshi.
Okay, Didi, fine. So now the next question: what is your greatest achievement as of now?
Acha, greatest achievements. Okay, I have 3 things. Okay, I think so. 2 main things which I like. I'm very proud of, and I'm think in every manner I'm blessed. First thing, I'm a Doordarshan graded artist. Not very high, but I have a grade B, the first grade. So I gave the interview in 2018. We gave interview in 18, and then we received a letter that yes, now you are a graded artist. So that's the first thing till now, the greatest achievement. And second, there is a scholarship, Ministry of Culture scholarship. It's in like national basis. So all the students of arts like Bharatnatyam, Kathak, music comes from everywhere and gives interview in front of all the examiners. And they select only, I think so, 20 or 15 or 25 something only from all over India. Only 20 or 25 people in each art. Like in Kathak, only 20, and then from tabla 20, then musical some 20, painting 20, and from all over India, it's very difficult.
Yeah.
When I gave first time interview, I was like, there was no name in first list in 2018. There was no name of me. Like, so I was so depressed. The competition is tough, and they have some own strategy or some. Then next year, it was my last attempt also because we have an age criteria from 18 to 25. So last year I gave an exam, and thank God my name came on the list, and I was like, thank you God for this scholarship. It's like we are getting money also, great thing, but it's the title that matters the most, right? That you are a scholarship student. So these are 2 great things which I'm very proud of.
Oh my god, super beauty. The next question is your favorite song to dance.
Okay, there are so many songs.
The one you love the most.
There is a song which is coming first in my mind. There are so many songs, but right now, ये हंसी वादियाँ ये खुला आसमां आ गए हम. So that song is very lovely. And एक है ना, हम एक मूवी है, उसमें माधवन का सॉन्ग है, जरा जरा बहकता है आज तो मेरा तन. So these songs of some A.R. Rahman and Beautiful, beautiful. Acha, it's very hard to find some good song in 2020, but right now there is a song of Man Bhitar album which is like composed by Rajveer Mahavir ji, and there is one song Man Bhitar. Shreya Ghoshal ji like sung it with so beauty and with so like full heart. It's like whenever I listen to that song, I feel like crying.
Oh my
Just
God.
so much love to that song. Beautiful, beautiful.
Superb, Didi, superb. Actually. So now the next question is, what compliment does people give you the most?
Compliment. There is only one compliment. Didi, you are too graceful. Didi, you are too graceful. Damni, you are too graceful. So sometimes I like, please, somebody give me any other compliment, please. So, but okay, then I realized, Damni, you are blessed with the grace. Thank you, God. Just go with it. And thanks to each and everybody who noticed my work and give me such lovely compliments.
Let's go to the next one. It's
Yes.
a very fun question, actually. A rumor that you love to start about yourself.
Acha, rumor means like a false statement, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I was thinking about this question and I was like, what rumor, what rumor? So I was like, nothing in specific, but I would love to go with like Damni, like win a lottery of 1 crore or something, or Damni get a chance to meet Shah Rukh Khan or some big star, something like that. Nothing big.
Super. Lovely, actually. Your favorite hobby other than Kathak? Yeah, Kathak is your profession, actually. So your hobby?
Actually, it was first hobby just for like fun. Yay, we are dancing, we are going to stage, getting ready and all. I don't know how like it comes to profession now, but very good manner. And if I'll say hobby, I think so. Not particular or anything, but just I love food. So I just love exploring like new places and go to new cafes and just have some like their specialities and having some good snack. So eating and sometimes sleeping, that's it. So these two things after dancing, eating and sleeping.
Super. Okay, next. Things that annoys you the most.
Acha. Things that annoys me the most that there are so many things वैसे तो there are so many things but first thing, if I'm not getting anything very quickly or very easily, right? If like Guruji taught us any bandish or something and it's not coming on first 2-3 times, then it's like why and when you like stuck in some place, right? It's like irritates you the most that why this not thing is not happening. And second, I think so when I'm in a mood of eat something, I want to eat something but I'm not getting it. Like if I'm in the mood to eat some chocolatey or something snack and I'm not getting it, that's thing annoys me the most. Because that's the thing, like if you are happy you eat, if you are sad you eat. So I'm just connecting. If I'm happy I want to eat something good, right? If I'm sad then I want to eat something also good. So if I'm not getting it, so I'm like, oh my god, so pissed off. Because I think so food connects with me the most after dance.
Okay, done. So the thing which annoys me the most is that whenever you tell me, no, Joshita, don't take too much space while doing chakra. Oh my God,
See,
why am I not
so
getting
you
that
have to
chakra?
give yourself the guidance, right? Okay, Joshita, don't do that. Joshita, and again you are doing that, and then you're like, why I'm doing
Oh
mistake
my
every time.
God.
So that's the first annoying thing for a student, that she
Yeah.
or he is not getting the thing very right in first place. So it's like, why? This is my body, I can control it, but in some ways the body is actually controlling you.
Yeah, of course. Super, yeah. Next one. How do you motivate your students?
My students, acha, first I
Yeah.
try to motivate myself that Damni, you have to do this very right. You have to be positive. You have to give other love. You have to be very good. Don't be very harsh on your students, because sometimes, like you said, if you are not doing it correctly for 3 or 4 times, I will also get pissed off, na? That why she is not doing correctly, why she is not doing. So I was like, Damni, be calm. And after like the class end, and if I'm very loud and harsh to anyone, I realizes maybe I being too harsh or too loud. Damni, you should be more polite. And So I don't motivate them actually. I'm just sharing my experiences with them. See that I did wrong in that cases. I did wrong in that cases. Don't repeat that mistake. I'm just telling them my stories, just sharing my things, so that they doesn't go with the same wrong path, or they didn't repeat the mistake, right? So it's that all about. Motivation is like a very big word. Like we don't have to do that, right? They will get motivated by themselves, by seeing our work. That's it.
Yeah. Gurus are the main motivation. What they do is a big motivation for the students actually.
Sorry.
Guru, whatever Guru do is just becomes as a motivation for the students.
If a person is like happy with you, is satisfied with your work and everything connected to you, he will get inspired or motivated by herself.
Yeah. So the next question for you is, what skill do you think is very important to become a choreographer?
A skill to become, there are so many skills. I have seen my Guruji from last 5 years choreographing so many beautiful productions. So I think so you should have so many knowledge of like music, how you going to compose a music, because in I have seen my Guruji composing the music, directing the music, giving direction to all the musicians, and giving direction to the light man, giving direction to the stage man, how you have to do this, then choreographing also. So no doubt you have to be very particular about everything. You should be knowledge of singing also, some instruments also. You should be knowledge of lighting also, that how you going when you're going to stage, when you will put your production on stage, how you going to use the light. That's the main thing. So there are so many things to be a good choreographer. There is one thing, just choreograph and dance. No, but our aim is to make that production reach on the stage and to reach the big audience, right? So for that you have to know so many things.
Yeah, wonderful. So, have you ever forgotten any dance steps while performing on stage?
Not in a major way, like for 1 minute or 2 minutes, not like that. But yes, for like some mini second, it's like, okay, what is the next step? Then it's like alert mode, na? So you are just watching your fellow dancers dancing. Okay, then you catch this step. So it's like a mini second thing. Only you know that, you forget that. Otherwise, nobody able to understand that. But yes, sometimes it's like that. Okay, what is the next movement? Okay. Because sometimes we dance production of 30 minutes, 1 hour. So it's too long. So we've rehearsed in a good manner, but sometimes it's like, what is the next step? So it's for a mini second thing, not for very major.
Done. Okay, now, what do you feel the most important quality a dancer should have?
I think so. Be very polite to other artists. Don't be very I will not say confident. Like be too that I am the best. I am the only. My dance is the best, and I'm the greatest. I'm doing great. Not be like that nature. Be very polite to other artists also, other dance form also. Respect each and everyone's work. That should a quality dancer should have.
Super. So describe yourself in 3 words.
3 words.
Yeah,
Acha.
only in 3 words.
Acha, first thing, Damini, no doubt. My name is like very Bijli. My name means Bijli. So I think so. My name Damini. Then food, and then Kathak. That's 3 things. Will you know what I love the most and what describes me? So my name, my love for food, and Kathak.
Your
These 3
profession.
things.
Fine. So now let's go to a rapid fire round, okay? This or that for questions.
Quick. Okay, quick.
Now,
Quick.
when do you really feel like dancing? The mood actually, okay? When you're sad or joy?
When I'm enjoy mode.
Okay. What do you love the most? Online teaching or offline teaching?
Offline teaching for sure, no doubt.
Okay. What do you like the most? Teaching or performing?
Performing, no doubt. No doubt. Performing is always first.
Okay, for what you give more importance, dance or family?
This is a sad answer, but I think so. Dance. I don't give
Super.
much importance to my family. They're always, why dance always? Why dance always? So give some time to a family. I'm like, okay. But I'm giving them time. It's not like I'm not giving them time, but it's like a 15 minute, 20 minutes, or half an hour a day. So they are like, what is this? In that time, you are eating or watching TV. That's it. So they are so many questions from their side. But yes, I put dance over family.
Okay, super. Okay, the last question for today. What do you love the most, Anarkali or Gagra cholis? The costumes were done.
Anarkali, no doubt. Anarkali are much more comfortable than Ghagra choli. They're two-piece, na? So blouse, then dupatta, then Ghagra. So Anarkali are the best, and I think so. I look more beautiful. I look beautiful in both, but I look more beautiful
Yeah, of course.
in,
Of course,
in
of course.
Anarkali.
Yeah. So we'll be very happy, Didi, if you just perform a 2 minutes bit or something for us today.
Acha. I just nothing big, but there is a Tihai. You know Tihai, right?
Yeah. Didi, we lost you again. Yeah, we got you. We got you back. Uh, yeah. Better now. Yeah.
Better? Okay.
Yeah.
So there is a Tihai in Tal Dhamar, which is very favorite, that how we play with the numbers, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So I will first read it and then I will like show some bhav on it, that how we use some nature movements or our Shringar things to show through a Tihai. So,
Okay.
ka, dhi, ta, dha, ga, ti, ta, ti, 14 beat cycle. 1,
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. So how are we playing up with number? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So when I performed this in my previous exams, so I used to use the nature elements. So now I'm going to use some Shringaric movement. It's like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. So you are just beautifying everything with these small movements. That in this is a simple Tihai of numbers, and how you're decorating the numbers with your small movements and everything. How you're decorating yourself. We can also show the nature, right? Like the deer. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. So there are so many moods you can show, so many things.
Oh my God, it was such a lovely performance. Actually, I loved it, Didi. I loved it so much. So everyone are giving you the heart symbol.
We have
Thank
so
you
many
so
problems.
much. Yeah.
Thank you so much to Crafton and you, Joshita, for having me for this little chat session.
So thank you so much for accepting our invitation, and in your busy schedule, you planned for this live today. So
No,
thank you so
not like that. I'm not that busy. Don't show people that I'm very busy.
much. You are busy. So now, what do you think about Arohan, Didi? So can you just speak a few words on it?
Acha, Arohan is going to organize a beautiful dance competition virtual. Like, okay, you have to just make a beautiful video from your home. And if you have any old video from your home or just you have made, you just have to submit your videos to the beautiful competition they are organizing. And the level is going to be very like tough and beautiful in very ways, and Crafton is organizing this in very beautiful way. So just go for it, guys. Don't lose this opportunity, and maximum in like participate in maximum numbers and show Crafton that how much beautiful moves and beautiful steps you have got.
Yeah. So viewers, we have kept the link in the bio. Please go
Yes.
check it and do participate.
Sure.
Thank you so much. Devi, for your time.
Thank you so much
for
to everyone who joined the session, and thank you so much, Joshita, for having me. Thank you so much. And I'm very sorry for the bad network we all had in between, but it was really fun to talk to you. Thank you so much for this amazing half an hour.
Thank you, Devi.
Thank you so much. Lots of love to Crafton and lots of love to you. Take care.
Thank you.
Take care.
Stay home, stay safe, everyone.
Stay home. Stay safe.
Mm.